Today I'll be showing you some audio editing techniques on Premiere Pro. I will be using multiple videos to demonstrate sound effects. In these videos I will show you how to manipulate different sections of audio clips in Premiere Pro. So in this clip, I'm selecting the top grey box that is in line with the audio clip. From there, I'm selecting the filter and the EQ box. Then I am selecting the FFT filter. I am then double clicking FFT filter from the drop down menu in the grey box. This will create a pop-up window that will allow me to manipulate the decibels in the selected audio clip. Doing this muffles the audio. This is a good technique to use as an audio transition, and this could be described as sounding underwater, as you can see in my example here. Now, moving on to denoise. But first, let me show you an example of some audio.
Backstreet Boys, unfamiliar. Excuse me, number one, can you please sing the opening to I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys?
Really? Okay. You are my fire.
Number two, keep it going.
The one desire.
Number three.
Believe when I say.
Number four.
I want it that way.
Tell me why. Backstreet Boys, unfamiliar. Excuse me, number one, can you please sing the opening to I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys?
Really? Okay. You are my fire.
Number two, keep it going.
The one desire.
Number three.
Believe when I say.
Number four.
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Now we listen to that audio. What we notice is some background noise, kinda like a hissing sound. So I'll show you a few tricks to get rid. Firstly, go to Effects. Select Denoise, then go to Effect Controls. Drag Denoise onto the sound you want to edit. Go to Custom Setup and double click Edit. Play around with the levels until you can't hear the hissing sound anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.